I've been very fortunate to work with and train death penalty defense lawyers in many countries, including China and Japan, Taiwan, Vietnam, Malaysia, Pakistan, and India. There are, of course, many differences in our countries and our legal systems. But despite these differences, I find that as defense death penalty lawyers, we have much in common. We are all advocates who have chosen this very difficult work, representing the most vulnerable members of our society. We share many of the same frustrations and challenges as we try to do our jobs. And in this way, I think we're all part of the same community, no matter where we live. And we all benefit when we learn and support each other. So I'm pleased to be here today to share our experiences in the United States. And I'm looking forward to your questions and hearing about your work after we finish with our presentations. Today, I want to talk about our death penalty work in the US. Like you, I live in a country that has chosen to use the death penalty. Like you, my goal as a defense lawyer is to deliver the very best representation I can provide and to save my client's life. Over the years, our community of defense lawyers in the United States has learned a lot from our mistakes and our successes. And these lessons are reflected in the American Bar Association death penalty guidelines. These guidelines describe what good lawyers should do in every death penalty case to ensure fairness and a just result for their clients. You may know that international human rights instruments require that any country that uses the death penalty must have procedures that guarantee fairness and protect innocent and vulnerable people. These are also expectations of the public, whose confidence we must have to sustain our systems of justice. Now, in the United States, the ABA death penalty guidelines satisfy these requirements by requiring the assistance of a trained, qualified lawyer for everyone who faces a possible death sentence. They were created because we needed an authoritative, up-to-date national resource that described the best practices of defending a death penalty case.